All right, so this was from number 2 on your quiz yesterday. But we're looking for these equations in both point-slope form and in slope-intercept form. Now, a lot of you went right to slope-intercept form because you've been dealing with that since like 7th grade. But point-slope form you haven't been used to. It's really easy to go from point-slope to slope-intercept. I'll show you how here. So, first thing is that point-slope form. If you look up point-slope form in a book, an algebra book, usually they give you something that looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I would not use that. There's a few reasons I don't like this form, the way it looks. First of all, the x1s and the y1s are really confusing, especially for younger students. Okay. Now what I do for calculator ready point slope form, I write this. So I'm going to put calculator ready point slope. Now you have y equals m times x minus h plus k. That is your calculator ready point slope form. Now h and k are just a point. You're given points here, here, and 2 here. So h and k is your point and m is your slope. So your point goes right there, h and k. So if I look at a here for point slope form, I'm going to use that form, y equals, but now my m's my slope. I have my slope, -5, parenthesis x. Now I'm going to do minus h, and h is this right here, -2. So minus -2, which would be a plus 2. And then plus k, k is the y coordinate there, so plus 7. That's it. That is all you do. Okay? Now, if you want to take that and change that to slope-intercept form, it's really easy because all you do is multiply this out and simplify. So if I multiply this out here, I would get y equals -5x minus 10 plus 7. And that would be y equals -5x minus 3. Slope-intercept, point slope. Okay? Let's look at B now. B, same idea. We should be able to just plug it into that formula, and you can have that in your notes during your test. So no reason you're going to get this wrong now. Y equals your slope x minus your x coordinate minus 4.27 at the end. Point slope form all done. Okay? Multiply this out. Multiply this out, and you get y equals 3.62x. I need a calculator for this. Minus 22.95 minus 4.27. So your final answer will be y equals 3.62x minus 27.22. Slope-intercept form, point-slope form. Okay, so it shouldn't be that bad. Ben?
On A, how did you get plus 2 instead of minus 2?
It's always the opposite of your x because of this minus right here in the equation. So it's x minus -2, x plus 2. It's x minus 6.34, so it's minus 6.34. C is the same exact thing, except for we first have to find your slope So to find the slope, you do 4 minus -1 over -2 minus 8. So your y minus your y over your x minus your x. So you get 5 over -10. So your slope equals -1/2. Now because you have 2 points here, you can write 2 different point slope forms. That's the good thing and the bad thing about point slope form. So what we could do here, I'm going to write one of them. Y equals -1/2 x, I'm using that point right there, plus 2 plus 4. What would be the other point slope form I could use, Logan?
Y equals -1/2 parentheses x minus 8 parentheses -1.
Perfect. Now either of those will work for your point slope form. They should give you the exact same slope-intercept form because there's only one y-intercept. Elena?
So if we were doing it like that on the test, would you want both of those?
Nope. Either one of those will work. So once you do that, now we can distribute here. Y equals -1/2 x minus 1 plus 4. That's that distribution right there. Y equals -1/2 x plus 4 minus 1. Notice those both give us y equals -1/2 x plus 3. Slope-intercept form, point slope form. Questions?